In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. All you need to do is open Play Store and download free app called Files by Google Developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Then hit Continue. Use gray switcher next to Allow Permission and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean. Hit Clean under Junk Files and finally Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!